In this video, I'll detail how to scan Android phone from virus without using any application. So literally, if you think your Android phone has been compromised, you probably get this one by installing a third-party application like APK files. Or you can actually scan your Android phone for virus and see whether your phone contains virus or not. So here, I'm going to show you a standalone application that you don't need to install on your Android phone to scan virus or remove virus on your Android phone. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All you just need to do here is open the Play Store application on your Android phone. Then this is what you're going to see here on Play Store like this. So this is the home page. Now click on the profile icon at the top right. Once you selected that, locate Play Protect. Then on the Play Protect page, you see recently scanned application. I have about 80 recently scanned application because this is 5 plus 76. That's 81. App scanned yesterday. That is to tell you that none of my apps are virus injected or are virus. Now to check whether your application is harmful or not, or they contain virus or not, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on scan. Once you tap the scan button, you see scanning process. This is going to scan all the application you have installed on your Android phone and check if any of the application is harmful or not. Then you can see in my own case, no harmful apps found. So if this scanning app from Google found any harmful application on your Android phone, it's going to tell you and you'll be prompted to remove it. So this is how you can easily scan your Android phone to find and remove viruses on your device. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.